puyat. Ay, ba? Time check. Time check. 6:08.
Lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. We're living.
Mag-repeat ka pero wala kang dala. Paano pa ako? Kasama ko aesthetic.
Literal.
Walang kang dala. Walang i-check.
Uy, walang i-check feeling. Yung gusto mo makaano?
Di halatang
Paano? Forfeit? Ibalik ko ba? Wala na nga.
Fake news. Hindi pala doon ang entrance.
Kaya ano?
Pakita mo. Hindi pala doon. Umasa na naman.
We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving.
Hindi ko ngayon. Hindi po ako na-inform. Na-beach ko pala yung pupuntahan namin.
Hindi pala simbahan.
SM lang kami.
Si ate mo pa mo. Tingnan mo naman ang bag. Hindi na ito magbibi. Nakasandal.
I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes.
Lumukbang tayo ngayon.
Apat pa yan. Ano ba yan? Time check. 7:08.
Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the night. We come alive.
Araw. Hi guys, nandito po kami ngayon. Tapos nagsisolo po yung
Isa.
nakikita niyo po sa screen. Si tita po namin. Kami po yung alalay lang. Ako yung manager at yung makeup artist po niya. Gusto ko mag-slide yun, no? May slide. May color.
Asa kayo sa kay Jiro?
Ayan na po sila for the photoshoot ng arting artista. Time check, it's 9:08. Ilang hours na po kami dito. Dito pa rin sa same spot. Picture. Sarap-sarap na naliligo yung iba, tapos kami. Hour na lang. Dito po tayo sa next location. Sand. Ito naman po at si, ano.
Oh, ang ganda.
Maganda, oh. Maganda. Makita mo. Wala. Diba? Wala kayo.
Hi.
Ano na, mapicture ka. Ayan, oh. Shy time. Nagtampo siya.
What's your name?
Bawal nagsalita. No speaking challenge. Wala na.
From Madagascar.
Eh. Bye. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Hindi, in between kayo, hindi makita si ano. Hindi na siya makita.
Adjust ng konti. Yan.
Oh, in between. In between, hindi makita si ano. Sino ba to?
Mausog-usogin mo si ano, ate. Hi, smile! Guys, dapat may... Gonna swim.
They're gonna swim.
They're gonna swim. Time check. Okay.
Time check.
10:48. Aahon tayo ng 2.
Aahon sila ng 2.
Tagal. Sunod na ako nun. Ito yung before and after. Yung face. Nasa si Kuya Jay?
Hanapin natin sila.
Rebound. Hindi pa? Mag-horn yun. Ang init! Ayoko!
Ibantay yung chera sa amin.
Sige. Maitim na ba sila? Hindi ba sila maitim?
Before and after.
Grabe.
Ano lang, let's go!
Paikot sila. Guys! Jill!
At ito pala, nakatesting kami kung kaya namin. Finish ka na.
Oh, balik ulit sa akin. Paikot talaga sila. Tatry nila kung carry ba ng camera. I-carry nila yung basta. Carry nila. Ayan, babalik na ako. Kasi wala na palang daan. I think carry naman nila to dalhin para i-tour kayo guys. And let's go.
Tour po namin kayo. Ano? Uy. Sama na ako. May hawak ako. Yan, nakapasa po tayo sa bridge. We're going to...
Ikaw na ako, i-front mo.
Oo ba? Going around. Yan na, under the bridge. Pangalan pa lang. Silo na. Nawala ang kasama ko.
Tears go by in the very first summer night, and we know it has just started.
vlogger for today. Ayan na, si si Mr. Vlogger. Hi, Mr. Vlogger. What are you doing? What are you vlogging? What are you vlogging?
Just going around.
Have you visited all the places?
Not yet, but this is Ate Jillian.
Hi.
Shout out to her since she vlogged.
Yeah, I also vlog. This is my phone and this is my tripod.
You can just put it in Facebook.
Yeah, I'll put my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.
Okay, your YouTube channel will get first subscriber.
Okay.
It's me.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you.
Ligo na, makalaligo.
Fresh na mga swimming.
Si Ate Nene, nagpatat.
Maraming salamat kay Ate Nana sa napagpag-video saka sa amin. Mas may din pa ako sa inyo.
What's up, guys? May tempo na nga. We're going home. Sunburn. Tapos na po ang aming weekend escapade sa Villa Excellence, Cavite.
I'm yours, and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart.
Bye-bye! Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Again, it could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you.
My sister. Bye.
Manila girl. Bye, guys.
Saan sila sasakay?
Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine?
Tapos na ang kasiyahan namin. Tapos na ang kasiyahan. Sadyang.
Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars and my broken heart.
Kami po na ang tunay na anak. At yung dalawang tunay na anak ay umalis. Yan ang aming mami at tatay. Stop over muna kami. Bago pa kami makaalis sa Cavite. Talagang 1 hour bago makaalis.